here we are. It's a normal Wednesday afternoon. Just loading up some bumpers for a customer picking it up, and here's his delivery. Oh, and he's dropped it, fumbled it. What a shame. Oh well, not a problem. Let's deliver it anyway. And let's see that again in slow motion. Oh, no, not going to try and save it. Nobody cares. Let's just get it delivered. So on we go. Nice day for it. At least it's not raining, I suppose. Now, music changed because he's not only a clown, this guy. He's a proper cowboy. Oh, I'm not going to bother going in. I'm just going to throw it down and then forge the customer's signature as I walk away. Nearly walking into the car. Must be careful to look where I'm going whilst forging the customer's signature. Let's have a look at that throw again. Fantastic. Straight into the doorway. Hope somebody trips over that later. Not a problem. So the next thing is shuffle on back to the car. Proud of myself, another fantastic delivery achieved. It's a good job that my customer today was really good at packing their stuff. It was only 1920s car parts, easily replaced down at any branch of your local Halfords. Always make sure that you pack your stuff properly, because maybe a clown or a cowboy like this is delivering it. Thanks.